Imagine cruising down a midnight stretch of Roosevelt Avenue, steam rising off the asphalt, when out of the darkness a silhouette appears. It's not the usual American behemoth you're used to. It's the 2025 Fiat Toro Ranch, the world's best-kept secret in pickups. Some will call it the star of the seas among trucks, others whisper allure of the seas. But this Italian crossover feels more like a voyage to a utopia of the seas, bold, unexpected, irresistible. But here's the kicker. Beneath that suave exterior lies a secret flaw, a deal-breaker so glaring it turns admiration into disbelief. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll wonder if Fiat's most luxurious pickup is a stroke of genius or a curious crime story waiting to be solved. The 2025 Toro Ranch greets you like a mysterious house perched on a cliff, each line sculpted, each contour deliberate. From the LED matrix headlights that slice through fog like a lighthouse beacon, to the muscular fenders that hint at hidden power, every angle feels like stepping into a Gothic mystery. Its grille, with chromed struts, is the icon of the seas, an emblem of elegance and tenacity. Brilliant 20-inch alloys tread softly yet command respect, evoking the oasis of the seas where luxury meets untamed nature. Whether you see it as a cursed house cloaked in midnight paint or a stately manor on wheels, the Toro Ranch refuses to be ignored. Step inside and you're transported to the house on the cliff, where secrets hide behind every stitched leather panel. The seats, heated, cooled, and fully power adjustable, embrace you like a first chapter of a crime novel by Agatha Christie, familiar, yet brimming with rising suspense. Ambient lighting casts shadows that dance across walnut. Trim, reminiscent of classic literature scenes from Anna Catherine Green's detective yarns. The 10.1-inch touchscreen bursts to life with crisp graphics. It's your personal symphony of the seas, orchestrating navigation, audio, and off-road modes with cinematic flair. There's a wireless charging dock cleverly stashed under the armrest, perfect for a suspenseful reading session of Crime and Punishment narrated in your mind like a suspense audiobook. Even the panoramic sunroof filters light like stained glass in an old chapel, creating a sanctuary that transports you from the daily grind to a realm of pure automotive literature. Under the bonnet, a 2.2-liter multi-jet turbo diesel hums like an orchestral crescendo, delivering a robust 200 HP and 450 Nm of torque, an aria of effortlessness and control. It surges from 0 to 100 km/h in just 9.8 seconds, each tenth a heartbeat, each gear shift an evolving stanza. At 120 km/h, it whispers at merely 1,500 RPM, like a lone violin sustaining a haunting note across the open plains. Its 9-speed automatic transmission dances through ratios, offering both thrust and thrift, your passport to escapades both urban and off-road. All this romance, all this intrigue, silenced in an instant by one brutal fact. The Toro Ranch isn't available in the US market. For an American audience raised on the Ford F-150 and Chevy Colorado, this feels like reading a cursed house tale, teased with grandeur, then barred at the door. You can order it in Sao Paulo or Buenos Aires, maybe even Dubai, but stateside, not a chance. That's the Texas-sized punchline that turns admiration into frustration. On one hand, the Ford Ranger feels like a dependable detective story, solving daily drives with proven reliability. On the other, the Toro Ranch is the first look at what pickups can become: luxury on four wheels, an oasis of the seas in the compact segment. But will Fiat bite the bullet and bring it to America? Will they navigate the regulatory maze, or will this remain a mysterious house forever beyond our reach? Speculate with me. As electrification rises, Stellantis could unveil an e-Toro Ranch, silent, torque-rich, even more like a symphony of the seas electrified. Imagine charging stations named Allure of the Seas salons, attendees sipping espresso as they wait for 80% in 30 minutes. Or picture a special Utopia of the Seas off-road package with solar roof panels and an onboard mini-fridge. The next chapter could read like a suspense thriller, penned in the language of classic literature, yet fueled by futuristic tech. The 2025 Fiat Toro Ranch stands as an unexpected protagonist on the global stage, a dark horse that reads like a crime and punishment saga, a gothic mystery in metal and torque. It invites you into its world, a first in luxury pickups you've never heard of yet now can't forget. Will Fiat unveil this icon of the seas for American shores? Or will it remain our greatest automotive mystery, a fleeting glimpse of what could have been? Stay on the edge of your seat. Subscribe, hit that bell, and join us for the next chapter. Because in the world of pickups, some stories refuse to be forgotten.